Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gates 3 Designs, and I am back with another Thea Render tutorial. This is a home theater that I put together in SketchUp. I just want to show what the rendering would look like at a certain time depending on the speed of your computer. Like I said in the last video, depending on how many gigahertz your computer is running at determines how fast the rendering will be completed. So here you have a rendering at the time of 3 hours and 21 minutes. This is what you would get if you were running your computer at the speed my computer is running at. As you can see, the textures are coming in pretty well at 3 hours. Some more reflection could be shown. That just means it needs to render a little longer. You can kind of see the grainy look a little bit if you look close enough. But it is giving it that lighting temperature that I wanted. I wanted a, a mellow theater feeling. But if I click here, I can show you the speed of what my computer is running at. And that is 2.4 gigahertz. So with 2.4 gigahertz processor, it's going to take a little longer to render. Now you can upgrade or get a faster computer. You can get this type of look probably in an hour, even less than that, depending on your processor. So like I said in the last video, it's always good to take that extra step into Photoshop. Take your final rendering from Thea Render, save the image, add it to Photoshop, and try to enhance it. Enhance the light, add entourage, or even images, background images. Those things tend to help. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks.